I've had a lot of friends and family members ask me why I'm so passionate about the subject of money, making more of it, investing it, and just becoming financially empowered. And my answer is really simple. I want options. And girl, I want options for you too, because what's the fun in glowing up if I'm glowing up alone? Listen, having one income stream is so 2019. 2020 has taught us that one income stream is too close to no income stream, and job security is actually a myth. But what's not a myth is income security. We can always empower ourselves so that if one egg cracks, the other egg is safe. So there's no point in putting all our eggs in one basket. I prayed so hard before I made this video because I really want somebody to let go of that fear of pushing forward, of those limiting beliefs that make us stay stuck at jobs we hate, relationships we hate, situations we hate just because we need the money. Today, we're going to be talking about side hustles that you can start today from home with very little money so that we can dig ourselves up out of situations that we don't like and meet our financial goals. I have 9 side hustles for you today, and I'm going to start with side hustles that will require you to leave your house, and then by the 4th side hustle, I believe everything else would be remote and things that you can do from home. Coming in at number 1 is to start planning little parties like gender reveal parties, like bridal showers or baby showers for friends and family, and then extend that service to your local area. Recently, I was watching a CNBC video, and these 2 girls make $15,000 a month by throwing luxury picnics. And they're making $15,000 a month. How much do you think it costs to set one up? You can just buy a few pillows, a few racks, a few glasses here and there, and you're good to go. But I still have 8 more for you if that's not your vibe. Number 2 is to learn how to do professional makeup. Listen, girl, I'm not good with makeup. As you can see, I barely have any makeup on. And you might not be great with makeup either, but going to a store like MAC and paying about $35 a year could elevate your skills significantly. And if you even don't want to spend any money at all, you could learn how to do makeup on YouTube. There's a YouTuber that I watch. Her name is Camille Palazzo. She's great. She makes content about making money, saving money, and all that good stuff. She has made over $600 a day doing makeup for people.
I was hired to put on makeup on businessmen and women who were taking headshots at a convention booth for LinkedIn. I made $680 that day.
Number 3 is to cook and deliver food for people. Y'all, I'm Nigerian. I'm a Nigerian girl, okay? And I love me some egusi soup, some fufu, jollof rice. We all know Naija jollof is the best. I will pay top dollar to have someone deliver home-cooked Nigerian food to me as my meal prep for the week. Spend a few hours on Saturdays or Sundays cooking food that people can't easily access, and I promise you, they would pay you money for that food. So those are the 3 side hustles that I have for people who don't mind going out and meeting with other people. Of course, we have to stay safe. We are still, I know, in an epidemic. I don't want to say the real word. Now, the remaining 6 are things you can do from home, things I do currently at home, and these side hustles bring me about $10,000 a month in total. And so I'm really excited to get into these ones. But if you haven't liked this video yet, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. It keeps me motivated to keep bringing you guys valuable content, and it helps this video go out to more people like you. And before I forget, if you've thought about starting a side hustle, but you just haven't started one yet, why? What's the reason? I'd like to know what y'all's challenges are to see if I can bring resources or valuable information that could help you work through whatever it is that you're currently struggling with. So let us know in the comment section why you haven't started the side hustle that God has placed on your heart, or the side hustle you've been thinking about for a while now. Just let us know in the comment section below. Number 4 is to start a YouTube channel. If you're not someone who wants to be seen, that's fine. I still have a couple of side hustles for you. But if you're someone who's been thinking of starting a YouTube channel, but you're not sure whether you can start, how to start, or you're insecure about a couple of things, honey, you need to start a YouTube channel because there's money on YouTube. In my first 4 months of YouTube, I made over $10,000. And that was my first YouTube channel. I launched it it in September of 2020, and by December of 2020, I had made over $10,000 from my house, recording with my phone. So it really doesn't matter the kind of person you are. I don't make videos about makeup tutorials or hair or fashion or anything like that. I talk about things that I'm really passionate about, and people are watching these things. I mean, you're here, you're watching. YouTube is a platform for everybody. You can find your tribe on here and start making money almost immediately. Yes, it does take work. Yes, it does take strategy and effort, but it's totally doable. And if you're not totally sure where to start and you just need some guidance, I've made a YouTube beginner course that's totally free. It's linked in the description box. It took me months of learning this stuff before I actually started in September, and that's why things happen for me so quickly. Number 5 is to start an e-commerce store. I personally have 2 e-commerce stores, and I'm gonna make more videos about e-commerce and how I've been able to generate about $50,000 from 2 e-commerce stores in just the past few months. So if you wanna see more videos about that, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notified when I drop that video. Number 6 is to start a social media agency. Nobody's saying you have to be great with social media. When you get a client who wants their social media page managed, you can then hire people on a website like Fiverr or Upwork to do the work. So all you're doing is being the middleman. You can charge $300 for your service, hire someone on Fiverr to do it for $50, and then keep the remaining $250. And this is something you can do on a daily basis. Number 8 is retail arbitrage. I saw this on a YouTuber called Moms and Money. She talked about retail arbitrage and how women can make money through this by going to Marshall's or going to Ross or shopping the sales rack at Walmart and then flipping these items on a Facebook Marketplace to earn a profit. I think this is also really great, really smart. People are constantly looking for good deals. So if you get a better deal and then you sell at a good price, you can make some money off this as well. And number 9 is to create a course teaching something that you're already good at. This could be a course about being a good teacher. It could be a course about teaching parents how to be better with their toddlers. Literally, it could be anything. It doesn't have to be something glamorous like business or investing or YouTube. Whatever it is that you're skilled at, it's enough, okay? So now that I've given you a bunch of ideas, I want you to go back and do research on your top 3 and narrow down and decide which one you're going to start. Don't let fear stop you. Don't let the enemy's voice cripple you. Let me be a vessel. Let me be a vessel used by God to tell you that it's time, honey. It's time to start, it's time to launch, and it's time to grow. I'll be here with you every step of the way. There's a ton of content on the channel about growing your business on social, managing your time as a business owner who also has a full-time job, and everything in between. So I hope to see you in the next video if you've already subscribed, and if you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I would see you in the next video. Until next time, take care, my love.